Hello, guy. How far? I beg about that job now, I beg. Eh? You say if you know now, me, I'm gonna go kill your guy for house. I believe you. I love you, bro. I got love for you, man. Yeah.
You don't know say thunder go fire you. You yourself don't know say thunder go fire you. I hear it. You dey mad?
What's up?
I dey talk, you see they take the girl say you go call her back.
Which girl?
Oh, she Ereni. Mo buy soro bitch. Are you mad?
What's in the apple?
Money you don't get. To give us money in the house, you get problem. You know say you get problem. You know say your life don't crash. Trailer said don't pass your life.
She na the wrong thing say and I do marry you. What's happen? You want kill me?
You
I dey ask when I wrong thing I do marry you. You want kill me?
This one way you don't talk now, you won't die. You dey mad. I dey talk where you dey go? I dey talk to you where you dey go? I dey talk to you where you dey go? You are going out, Abi.
I don't even get your time safe.
Olori Buruku Oloshi, you are going out. Useless man. Where are you going to? I'm still talking to you. Where are you going? You are not going anywhere today. Don't you know? You are not going anywhere. You go back, Jare. You are not going anywhere.
This woman, don't tempt me this early morning.
I don't want to. Come here, Jare.
I must like you. Don't worry.
Do you want to beat me? So you want to beat me? Useless man. Thunder go fire those girls so. Their life self was spoiled. In fact, Ogun go kill them. Olori Buruku Oloshi, wele ka ku se wa ti ya je mi to. Se ko tún ma fẹ́ yàn lé mi lórí. Ah, you wey me I never know. Money wey you never give.
What's happen?
I just see for 5 minutes.
You don't know say smokers are liable to die young. If the phone they use smoke. They
Smoke. She make an offer.
If you follow me talk, drop this thing and talk to me like a responsible man.
Bros, I don't throw me out. But you be man, no. Eh? You be man. I'm not be every man go feel enjoy waiting your wife to put to her house. If the other man they could don't beat that woman, beat her mercilessly. But you be man.
What you want tell me? Me I get.
Calm down.
Sadia now my body no this. What you want tell me?
Business deal.
Which kind of business with that one?
Serious business for you.
Okay, which kind of business with that one?
The info just enter my hand last week.
Okay, which kind?
This business. Now, calm down. Your court now 5M.
Eh?
I tell you 5M. If you run the business, you be man.
All these online people, I don't come. Now MMM you go build. They just do not carry person money. Now me go give you money. You go first give money.
No, you no go give money. This one a legit business.
Which
a
kind
legit
of
business wey be say if you come, just if you run am 1 week, 5M. You reason am now.
Which kind of business be that one? Tell me. Huh? Which kind of human being be this one? Make her the. Eh? God forbid.
Now what you go do?
You are who go do am. God go punish you on that kind of business.
My guy.
But wait, what you call him again? 5M.
5M now, 5M. 5M now be your court. For first, they do you.
I don't believe that.
My guy, you be man. See as your wife they disgrace you for there because of money. Why they do like this? See, you be man, no they do like this now. If money in your pocket, she no go disgrace you. Reason now, you know where you go meet me now.
But wait, maybe you just come from prison last month.
Yes, now my guy, no work anywhere. Life goes on. I don't day streets for like 1 month. No business, nothing. Government no give job. What the man go do now? This job just come up, and I don't want to lose am. Are you fit for the job?
Turn that boy, idiot.
Guy.
One man come be like you will just come from prison. Man go join you for there, abi.
You don't go like this. Anytime we don't ready, may you meet me for ground.
God, which kind of life with this? One life for house, one life for outside. Shall no go just dey go heaven like this. But no, I get God. I go survive. Nothing dey happen. I go survive. You sure for me. I go survive.
Hello, Ọlọ́run, àgòyìndú, ẹ bá mi gbé. Gbogbo tí mo fẹ́ ní kẹ́ bá mi ṣe o. Ẹrù mi dọwọ́ yín ẹ bá mi gbé o. Mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé mi ò lẹ́nìbọ̀dì. Èèyàn ṣá ló lè lo bí áńgẹ́lì. Fìtílà mi máa ṣe jẹ́ kó kú. Olóore mi máa ṣe jẹ́ kó sùn. Kọ́ máa béèrè pé bó lọ́lọ́run mi wà
him. Now me go give you money. We go first give money.
No, you no go give money. This one a legit business.
This
A
can't be
legit
the
business wey be say if you come, just if you run a 1 week, 5M.
You dey mad? To give us money, the house, you get problem. You don't say you get problem. You don't say your life don't crash. Share and say don't pass your life.
Bros, good afternoon. Everything dey okay. This one wey I be like this. Shey they come watch Chelsea match this afternoon? Yeah. Okay.
Mo mọ̀ kó lè pẹ́ lójú yín, àkọsílẹ̀ sì wà bó ṣe rí, ṣèbí bí mo ṣe ń ṣe kò yé yín, àpò ṣàṣàmúra kò gbẹ̀rí, kọ́ máa béèrè pé bó lọ́lọ́run mi wà.
Well, man guys do what man guys do. I have to man up. Your hand that deal, this kind of life safe, na frustration. Baba God, this thing what I want to do now, you know, say it dey against your will, and even me myself, my mind not even to carry and to go do am. But wetin man go do now? Hungry won't keep person for house, he won't kill outside. Why frustration everything? God, if you know say he get any other last chance wey you wan give me before I go do this thing wey my mind no carry, because this kind of thing now na dey lead person to trouble. If you know say he get anything you wan do for me again, do am now. God, abeg I dey beg, abeg. I no get where else to run to. Na where I go still call. My mind no dey to do this thing. Help me, abeg. Well, okay. I can't do it. I can't do it. What's that man doing when I told him to go boss and say?
They call a man. I said that small boy.
Who get money?
Small boy.
Who get money?
Small boy, but he get money. Small boy, we get money. I see club where I drive and go yesterday night. If you see, 5 million I spent. 5 million. 3 Olosho wey he carry save. Imagine, na 500k na he give them each.
A day. What did they do for them?
I drive am here, I beat to am now.
What did they do for them? Now they ask.
Nothing they do for am.
500k.
500k na he give each. You can't guess how much they pay me.
How much?
100k per month.
100k. You sure somebody say they greedy like this? 100k they good for just driving now. What did they do for them again?
You try to drive and go buy fuel. Which one be 100k? You try to buy fuel.
Guys, how far? Guys, wetin happen? How far? Na the plan be this. Come down, abeg.
See, I beg.
See person wey no understand. We forget that one wey dey talk. See person wey understand wetin me I dey talk.
They pay 100k. Now wetin the man?
Wetin be 100k, my guy? Wetin be 100k?
Wetin is the 100 now? Wetin I dey tell you? This guy get money. This person I dey tell you get money.
Calm down. See wetin dey solve now. Wait this one first.
So no be the kind of money wey I hear for this thing. I no sure that I fit follow you do this kind of
get money.
Operation now, one run am now. And no time. I beg. We no get
much time. No time. No time.
Hey. Wetin happen now?
I never hold this thing before.
Just hold on. Just hold on first. Just hold on. Just hold on.
See how they do sef gone. Now for you.
See,
how they do. Calm down.
Now the plan I bring come like this.
Make them give am hold that one.
Hold on, I give you first. See as the plan be now. We go enter through this place. See the gate.
Yeah.
See cars park for here. And it gets one security man wey dey sit down for this side. That one go dey sleep. Na Hausa man, nothing in sabi. Wetin sure be say we go enter through this place. And once we enter, we go see the nigga there. Abi how far?
Hey, come again. Nice one, nice one. You said you come, Abi. They come. Make I no vex. I no vex. I know. Say you know David them, but gun just dey hand. Carry the gun. Give me, carry am. Give me the gun. Give me the gun.
No be so. No be like that. I no be thief.
No be thief.
I no be thief. Now this idiot boy na him force me say I follow them. Say I go cash out.
You see, that's why they start. Ọjọ́ tí ọmọ ènìyàn bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní dáná ogun, àwọn ìyá wọn ò kì í mọ̀, àwọn òbí wọn ò kì í mọ̀, bọ̀ ìjọ́ tí kú bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pa wọ́n, ìjọ yẹn ni ìgbé wa ta ń lé wọn àbí, no problem. Na me una carry gun kan rob àbí.
Baba, na my first time with this. Abeg, see, smally, see my face. I'm innocent. Bros, abeg. I no go do am again. Na my first and the last time be this.
Of course, your first and the last time, Abi. So it's going to be your first and the last time to die.
My phone. I don't know. Say they ring. Who? Which work? Serious? By mail. I don't see anything. I don't check am. No verse. I don't check. I don't. How much? 250,000. I'll call you back. Good. God, thank you. God. I'll take riches. What I do for you? God, thank you. I'll take rich. This one, who be this one again? Hello? Now God go punish you for your. If you call this number again, now God go kill you. For your, I don't know where they stay. Even you know they say for year. You know they say for year. I don't come to your house. Police go find you come. They don't surround there. Just they run. Anywhere where I see you, they will carry you. Oh, it is how follow you go do that kind of rubbish. Now God go punish you. Come on my phone. God, thank you. God. God, I thank you. I don't want to do rubbish. God, thank you.